Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Research channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the display language in the Bitwarden password manager app. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Bitwarden app, then press settings in the bottom right of the screen. So then we're going to go to appearance, and here we have language. So it's usually set to default system, but if you want to change it to something else, just press on that option and select any other language that you want. So once you've done that, it's going to change all of the language, change the language of the app. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.